Continue. Mussaf. There is a difference in opinion among the poskim whether a woman is obligated to daven Mussaf on Shabbos, Yom Tov, and Rosh Chodesh. On one hand, Mussaf is governed by time, since it is said only certain days. Also, women are not obligated to contribute toward the Korban Mussaf. Okay, so Mussaf is additional prayer, right? The additional prayer, and we say it on all of the holidays. We say on Shabbos, Rosh Chodesh, and Chol Hamoed. Did they say Chol Hamoed? I mean, they did not say, but that's when we say. No. On Chol Hamoed we don't say Mussaf, do we? No, we do say Mussaf Chol Hamoed. Yeah. Okay. So why would somebody say that women not obligated? Because again, it's governed by time. So the Mussaf prayer is also the timing for a Mussaf prayer same as Mincha. No. Apologies. No. I mean the time for Mussaf prayer is actually the whole day. So first we daven Shacharis, morning prayer, and then you can daven Mussaf. Okay, and you can daven until sunset. So of course it's preferable to finish Mussaf and then daven Mincha if you're going to daven Mincha, but then nevertheless until the sunset. Okay, so that's why some poskim said that she's not obligated because of this. It's by time. First of all, and second of all, women were not obligated to contribute toward the Korban Mussaf. I'm not sure what does this explanation mean, because they were also not obligated to contribute to the Shacharis and Mincha obligation. I'm not sure. I mean, it's a little contradictory to me, unless they have different explanation. Okay, but at least the first explanation stands firm, meaning that it's connected to time, so she's not obligated. On the other hand, Mussaf reflects the sanctity of the day, which does apply to women. They are certainly recite it voluntarily, as many women do. On the days of Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, it is even more incumbent upon women to find the time to recite Mussaf. So Mussaf on Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, as we know, very, very long. Very long. Okay, even though it's long, so it's very, very important days for women, for men, for everybody, right? So it's very encouraging for them to pray this prayer to everybody, like completely, right, on Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, because their life in stake. Continue. This is because Shmona Esrei of Mussaf is one of Bachashas Rachamim, asking for mercy, which is applicable for women just as much for men. That's the explanation. We're asking for special mercy on these holidays. It is customary for men and women to recite Tefillah of new month, Birchas HaKodesh, which may be said even when praying alone. Normally it is said in Shabbos preceding Rosh Chodesh. If a person did not say the bracha on a new month, on Shabbos, she may say it at any time until Rosh Chodesh. That's a very interesting thing, right? So we have there is a custom every time before every Shabbos before the new moon. For example, last Shabbos, it was it was not last. I apologize. It was 2 weeks ago, right? Or 2 weeks ago, we blessed the new upcoming month. And then on Monday and Tuesday there were Rosh Chodesh. So a woman can do exactly the same. If she's in a synagogue, she can do that. If she is at home, she can do it at home. And even though it is very interesting Hiddush, at least for me. So it says she can do it like in any day. I mean, technically it's logically, right? We do it in a synagogue, everybody together. There's special blessings and with the chazan singing beautifully, right? Just because most of the people come on Shabbos day to the shul, so it's the Rosh Chodesh publicized. That's my personal explanation. But technically, as it's very interesting, she can do it any time and until the Rosh Chodesh, and it's very short prayer. It's 1 page. Okay, not even full page. Okay. So she can. Okay, no problem.